Hi everyone. Do you know, last month I actually repaired my radiator leak, but it seems that there's another leak. And this has quite surprised me because I knew that I'd fixed it. I knew I'd done it quite well. So where did the second leak come from? Well, this is the thing that I'm learning always. When you're working on a car which is 20 years old and it's done a lot of miles in, these radiator pipes become part of the vehicle. So when you're going in there and you're moving around and you're flexing things around to gain access, if you dislodge one of the pipes, they can be very brittle. They can because with heat, etc., they can actually start to leak. So when you fix one leak, you can actually cause a second leak inadvertently. Now, there's nothing you can really do to avoid this, and this is why the pressure test at the end of this, done by mechanics, real mechanics who do this all the time, they pressure test it to see when the battery's off, the engine's off. They basically apply a pressure in which the car would normally have to see if there's going to be any leaks. Now you can see over here, you can see there's water coming down there, but it's not where the water's coming from. That's just a drainage area, and you'll see it on the other side as well. So you're looking for the pink coolant liquid, and if you're crazy enough to taste it, then yes, it tastes like just terrible, and it's really strong taste, but don't do it because it also makes you go blind. But here you can see the leak there on that box there. You can see that there's been some splash. So where's that water coming from? And you've really got to just look in there, and there it is there, just where this you can see the three Jubilee clips on that push grip one there, and they're supporting the entire lot of friction grip pipes. So what you can see, that little broken Jubilee clip, that is where the leak I discovered, another leak, and that was quite interesting. So what I've done is I've just taken a Jubilee clip, opened it up, fully opened, so I can wrap it around the pipe without disconnecting the pipe, and because I don't know how the condition of that T-clip is going to be. Apparently that can go quite Paul McEwen from New York Cars deals with a lot of these vehicles, and he said that that can potentially be a source of failure. So if it is a source of failure, you're going to have to replace that T-clip. In this particular case, I am basically putting that a Jubilee clip on. I'm going to tighten up and review the situation and see how it goes. And of course, as I said, review the situation because, as you know, fixing one leak can sometimes lead to another leak, but it is essentially a closed circuit system. So basically, all you got to do is find your leaks, and there's other ways to do this. Another way to actually locate it is by using UV dyes, and I might come back and show you a UV dye in a separate system. Guys, thank you so much. Please enjoy the other videos.